On one funny day, Omar sat in his room surrounded by his toys, his green octopus and brown ox.
He was very happy, holding his red mug.
Listen, listen. Or, or. It said, I like it, and I like this sound. Maybe it wants to eat olives or oranges. What do you think, my dear tiger?
He looked around to see where his tiger was.
Oh, you are on the bed. Do you want to sleep?
Now, kids, what was in the red mug? It was something making the sound oh, oh, oh. Maybe a small insect.
Which insect says oh, oh, oh? A cicada can make a long buzzing sound like oh, oh, oh.
Omar has an octopus and an ox that says moo, oh, oh, oh. He drinks juice with olives and eats sweet oranges too. Oh, 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 says the bug. Oh, 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 in the red mug. Oh, 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 in the room. Oh, 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 makes us zoom.